Okay children, so we learned to sketch the front side of the face, the front face. Now we are going to do the side face. We are going to do these two sketching, and in a very easy way I am going to show you how will you do the sketching. First we will do the girl. Okay, for this we need normal HB pencil, okay, and a circle, a shape of a circle. This I'm taking this, I'm taking this. You don't have to take very small nor very big. So I'm going to divide the page into two. One side I'm going to do the boy and one side I'm going to do the girl. For the girl, first thing I'm going to do the outline of the circle. Whenever we are tracing, we are not going to do dark, very light. Okay, I did the circle tracing. Then I will do one X. You can do with the help of the ruler also. You can take the help of the ruler and make one X. You have to divide the circle into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did the X. Okay. So we did the X. Okay. Fine. With the help of ruler, since you will not be able to do freehand, so you can take the help of the ruler and make an X and divide the circle into 4 parts. Now from here you are going to make one line. Okay, now I made this one line. Now here you are going to make one more line parallel to this line. इना नीचे exactly इना नीचे थोड़ा दूर. Okay, one more line you are going to make. Then from here you are going to make one more line over here. It will not be parallel, it will be like, you know, little towards the second line. It will go towards the second line. After making this, you have to make the ear. Now you are going to make the ear over here. Okay, you are going to make ulta C. Fine, and make the ear of the girl. Here you are going to make the eye. So I am just putting a line, sleeping line. And for the ear, I am going to make 2 lines as I showed you that time. Okay, and a earring she is wearing. Okay, fine. After making the ear, from here you are going to do the nose. You are going to put your pencil over here at this point of this line. You are going to make the nose of the girl. L shape. It will be L shape. Okay, is that clear? Okay, I made the nose by making an ulta L. Ulta L banayo che. Letter L. Okay, now I make a little standing line curve and I am going to make the lips. For making the lips, I am going to write a tree, number 3. I am going to write number 3 and put an heart shape. Draw heart shape this way. Okay, after that I am making the chin. Now for the chin, I am going to write letter S. I am going to write letter S. Not too much curve, but just a slight letter S. This way I make the chin. Now I erase these lines which I have made. Okay, I hope my children have understood. First I made a circle, then I did the X inside. With the help of the ruler you can do. Okay, I divided the circle into 4 parts. From this part, then I did the L shape, ulta L for the nose. Then I did the standing line. Then the heart shape for the lips. And then again an S for the chin. I joined it here. Okay, and then I erased all the lines that were there inside this compartment. Okay, here is my eye. For the eye, I have going to do this way. Now this line I am going to erase it and do the eyebrows here. on this line. Okay, I made the eyebrow. Okay, now from this center, this line was there. I will make a slanting line over here. Okay, I made a slanting line here. Then one more slanting line for the hair. I am making the hair of the girl. Okay. Similarly, I'll take this ear down. Okay. And from here, I'm going to take it down. Okay children, so I made the hair. I did the quarter part of the hair. Now I am going to do one butterfly over here at the tip of this nose with a V. You are going to do the V and then okay. Butterfly I made. Now the remaining part also I am going to clean this for making the hair. This much part also here you are going to do the strokes this way. Okay. From here you are going to take the strokes this way. Here you are going to whenever you are doing the hair strokes, you have to remember, you have to merge it. The direction you are doing the strokes, then you have to merge in that direction. Okay, we did the L-shaped nose, heart-shaped lips, the chin. Now from here I am taking the neckline, neck, and I am going down towards the body. Okay, just a curve you are going to take and go down. Then from this part you are going to take the other for the shoulder and then you are going to go down. Okay, now from here I am going to make the plait. Okay, for making the plait I will just take it down. This is the circle. I'll take my line down and then from here I'm just making the jumps. Khali jumps બનાવી રહી છું. Curve કરીને નો jump લઈ રહી છું and a bow. Okay, fine. I hope I am very clear. I'm just merging now everything. I'm going to fill this inside. I'm filling the hair inside. Okay, and I'm going to clean all the additional lines which were there and give the clear picture. My hair. Then for making just thoda bal આવી રીતે. Okay, and now I make the this is just a bottle shape I have taken. See, ખાલી બોટલનો શેપ હોય ને એ રીતે કરેલું છે. Now ઉલ્ટા U over here for the arm. Two standing lines. Okay, find my Now you can do the lines the way you want. The girl is ready. Now a little shading down the neck and merge it. Jaw lines, shading and merge it. For the eyes, okay, the girl is ready.